Could NFT or non-fungible tokens be a good investment alternative? Imagine with me that a video clip of a basketball player sold for $200,000, a picture sold for $600,000, even a tweet, only a tweet sold at auction for $2.5 million, and all this is a story, and this piece of art which sold for $69 million is another whole story. Dear viewer, there is no need to imagine that this has become a reality through NFT fashion. The NFT market became like a balloon, inflating from $40 million in 2018 to $340 million in 2020. And the topic is growing and accelerating terribly. And NFT simply is a digital credibility certificate. Of course, you are wondering what that means. Let me explain to you. To understand NFT, the F.I.R.E fungible must be understood. It means similar goods. Similar goods mean that they are assets that can be exchanged for similar assets of the same value. I mean, for example, 5 $100 bills equal to one $500 bill, while non-fungible token or dissimilarity is on the opposite of this principle. Each NFT piece is unparalleled and cannot be exchanged for similar objects such as paintings. The value of the original artwork is much higher than the imitation, even if it is identical to it, and therefore the value of the tweet, this moving picture, or any of these digital arts comes from its rarity, and the method of storing and documenting these matters is using the technology of the blockchain, which is the same technology used in cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and others. Although digital art pieces may be sold at fantastic prices, up to tens of millions, the scarcity of the thing does not necessarily mean that it has high value. I mean, I can draw scribbles on Windows Paint and sell it for millions. Is this something logical? Although digital works that fall under the NFT are rare and unparalleled, they are not necessarily highly valued. Therefore NFT is not considered an investment in the traditional sense, but it is an artistic investment or trade in arts, as was the case with traditional arts, and it is an area where people can make profits from if they were aware of investing in arts, despite my opposition to investing in non-constructive assets. What do you think, dear viewer? Are you an art investor or an NFT investor? Or you see that NFT is worthless? Share your opinion in the comments. And so, dear viewer, you became aware of a new investment opportunity. If you liked the episode, don't forget to give us a like and share the episode with your family and friends. Rashad, presenter of your weekly program Hit the Road to Fire, was with you. See you soon.